YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing or a turtlebeach.com unboxing. What other website you prefer, the links will be down below, either my Amazon affiliate link or their website, or both. So they are safe websites to click and check out their goodies, what they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now let's take a look and see what they sent us to take a look at. So thank you guys at Turtle Beach for sending me this. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. Alright, this could come in handy. Since now we are in prime time holiday season among us, might want to start looking now and get it out of the way, because you never know when Santa Claus might come through. And this might be on your list, especially if you're a gamer, maybe a family member or a friend. This is a Roccat Vulcan 2 Mini high-res RGB next-gen lighting. Ooh. World's first dual LED liner gaming switch with 3D multi-function Roccat smart keys. Whoa. 65% optical RGB. Real tiny little guy. Here we go. Tested AIMO intelligent lighting engine. Detachable USB-C cable. Alright, let's get a look. Oh, here's the back. Titan II switch optical. So you can pop those out, switch them around. Level. Control at your fingertips. Can't see that, it's kind of white, too much white. Custom keycap, 4 megabytes onboard storage, easy shift button duplicator, 32-bit ARM Cortex M3 processor. Alright, a little pretty powerful little guy. Let's take a look. So this is brand new, and like I said, all you gotta do is click that link right now. If you're on Amazon, just add it to your cart. They'll ship it to you fast. And if you order through their website, it might take a couple days more, but it's whatever you prefer. Alright, we got this kind of setup. Good protection. We got some goodies in here. We got the cord USB. That side, I think that's it. Alright, got some stuff at the bottom. Manual. Kind of looks like the Thundercat logo. Vulcan 2. Kind of sounds like Star Trek. Maybe this is from deep space. Aliens must have made it. Be alright though. It's coming from somewhere. We'll just say it's coming from the alien mothership. Let's take a look. Definitely excited. Take a look at this one. Here we go. The keyboards has come a long ways since I was first using it way back when. Definitely interesting progress. Let's see what they made. Oh, this is a nice one. Here's the back. Has the slides that won't be sliding everywhere. There's a USB, goes there. Got these flaps. Give it a little arch. Yeah, these are really nice. I like the feel. Sometimes it's good to have small hands. Stuff like this. It should be easy to pop out if you have one of those removers. Take these off. And there's a big strip right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Dang. Come on. Don't be shy. There we go. All the way around. And it has a nice little finish to it. See that little shine? It's like a matted chromish. Oh, I missed one right here. There we go. Alright, we got that. Feels really good for the fingertips. I do type fast, so when not like this, it's kind of hard to do it. But you got nothing to type. I'll show you guys in a second once it's to the other computer. We go in about 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, here we go. Look at this. Looking good. Super lightweight, guys. This thing is super crazy light. Definitely take this on the road with you. And you won't even know that you have a keyboard. Yeah, this is definitely a nice one. I got the notepad up. So you just rain them. Man, it does feel good though, typing with these on. With these keys, I like how they feel. So we got that. Really nice. So like I said, if you guys are in the market for a new gaming keyboard or give your buddy one for the holiday season, this is going to be a nice one to get for this new year, 2023, guys. We are here. So, there you go. I wonder if you could change FN up. Make it brighter, darker. That's cool. There's that. But yeah, super lightweight. See, they got mice and everything. So all you gotta do is, guys, click that link down below. Check them out. And this is Roccat, the Vulcan 2, Turtle Beach, or Amazon. But it'll be coming up, Turtle Beach, Roccat. So really cool, nice people, and definitely nice gaming accessories. Definitely check them out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, take it easy.